Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Welcome to my Pilates studio here in Los Angeles. We are continuing our love for the Cadillac, and we are going to do thigh stretch. So I freaking love thigh stretch. I could thigh stretch all day. If you take my mat classes on onlinepilatesclasses.com, there's never a class where we don't do the thigh stretch because I think it's so important. It's also really helpful to connect to your seat. So why we are stretching our thighs, it's happening because we're connected to our seat, which if you can learn that here, then you can take that idea anywhere into the room. And it's just really awesome for challenging your Pilates workout and helping you up level yourself. So if you had done your chest expansion first, then you really just move back a couple inches. Now, I've heard some theories that Kathy Stanford Grant wouldn't let the men move backwards. I let people move backwards, but if you really want to make it harder on yourself, don't move backwards. So moving backwards just gives you a little more tension on your springs and helps you come up. It's just a nice thing to do. So we're going to be here and I'm connecting my arms to my back. So you're not really pushing down like you did chest expansion, but there's just a connection, right? That from the chest expansion lessons. You want to have your feet parallel and your knees parallel, but I like to squeeze my knees towards each other. This is especially key for those of you who have knee issues. I have it too. So you don't want to just like hang off your knees. You really want to feel that you've got this down reach going on in your legs, and then there's this inner thigh draw. So I'm not actually like touching my knees. I have them apart and then I'm like this, and this helps just keep everything going. Okay. So we'll find that is a technical term, isn't it? Anyways, so not pressing down, but just staying connected. I'm going to root my knees down as I lean back. And then I'm going to come up. Now, it's really important that you don't treat this like camel in yoga. We're not trying to lean back yet. And we don't want the knees to just get super light. So root your knees down and then take the crown of your head back. You're trying to go in a straight line. And then you come back up. Ooh, I got more of a stretch there. You'll know if you're cheating or not, because if you are cheating accidentally, you won't get the stretch you want here. So you do that, and if it's going really well, you can add a back bend. But the back bend is not from here. It's from the chest. You're going to do swan in your chest. So I'm going to lean back. I'm going to go where I can maintain my connection. I'm going to open up my chest. I'm going to come back up and then bring myself back up. Okay, so notice how I didn't shove my back forward to take my heart back. That's actually just cheating. So I'm going to lean back. I'm going to open my chest up. I'm going to come back up. I'm going to bring myself forward. You see that? It's so good. Lean back. Keep your center where it is. Get longer. Come back up. Now, if that's going really well, you can take it into rolling in and out. So we'll do that on another video. And I'll also show you a prep for rolling in and out, which I think is really yummy and delicious. But as you can see, I'm out of breath. The point of those two, chest expansion and thigh stretch, is to really help you stay with your arms connected to your body, finding the backs of your body and working with your seat so that when you do them on the reformer, you are stable and in control, but also when you do other exercises that require things like that in them, you're going to be super connected to your body. So I hope you enjoy those. You'll feel your seat. You'll be super working to make sure your low belly is connected so you don't do that in your lower back, and you'll love it. I have gone back into a back bend and touched my head to the mat. Just depends on the day, but the goal is not that you put your butt on your heels and your head to the mat. Maybe you could someday, but you want to be connected in strength and not just hanging in flexibility. So just make sure there's an equal balance of strength and stretch happening so that you don't just get obsessed with a goal of the mat and you are more obsessed with the balance of strength and stretch. If you have any questions or comments, please put them below. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel so you don't miss any of our how-to videos here, and I will see you next time.